Hi, I will make a quick video here. I just wanted to tell you how disappointed I am in how everything is unfolding at the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry into police interference. Now, there was this police general from a special investigating unit called Hawks. For those of you who are not watching and you are not from South Africa, there is this investigating unit called the Hawks within the South African Police Department. This investigation unit is supposed to investigate specialized crime. They are supposed to investigate syndicates, network syndicates. They are supposed to investigate money laundering. They are supposed to investigate those sort of crimes, right? Maybe illegal mining, those sort of crimes, drug trafficking, human trafficking, those sort of crimes that involve international players, maybe criminal networks and so forth. That is what this investigation unit mainly focuses on. I'm disappointed because a police general, lieutenant general, alleged that there was criminal interference or political interference or whatever interference into the works of the South African police. Hi, this is Mpilo. If you like this video, please click on the subscribe button below. Click the notification bell so that you can be informed whenever I release the video. Don't forget to share and like, comment below. Your engagement can help me grow this channel faster than I ever thought. Thanks for watching. Bye. A police general which works for this Hawks division was interviewed in the commission into the inquiry of police interference. His name is General Patrick Mboto. His name is General Patrick Mboto. He did not do any favors in dispelling those allegations. Instead, he elevated the public's suspense on this entire issue. This is very bad for a country like South Africa, and we should not treat this like a joke. Here you had a commissioner or a general of the Hawks division, the most important investigation division in the entire South African police service. Not even the entire South African police service, but in the entire structure of national security. You had this man rumbling and fumbling and tumbling down all across a commission of inquiry. The man's story was as coherent as a slug trying to dance the kwara kwara. Now, here is what disturbs me about this entire thing, right? The statements he made, the things he was alleging there, were not matching to a point where even a baby could tell this man does not know his story. What am I talking about? I am talking about the raid that happened at Katie Molife's house, where Kenny Kunene was found there. Okay, he was found there. Now, this man was at an award ceremony for police in a country where citizens always complain about the police, telling the public and everyone who bothers to listen how corrupt our polices are, how incompetent our polices are, how they only solve the case years after the damage has been committed and years after the victim has escaped the country. That is the kind of policeman that you want to award. You might as well award me also. Award me, and I'm not even a policeman. I'm sitting at home making this video, trying to show the world how messed up this is. Just give me an award too. So this guy goes there and he says, I received a call. I received a call from whoever was calling him. He phones the nearest police to try and assist them towards, fixing that little problem they are having in a mansion somewhere in Sandhurst. Instead of phoning the nearest police stations, which would have been Randburg, which would have been somewhere around Sandton, which would have been Alexandra, which would have been those police stations, that are in and around the Sandhurst area. No. You know who he decides to call? He decides to call a guy in flipping Pretoria named Captain Kruger. He called that guy all the way from Pretoria to go and make an arrest where? In bloody Sandhurst. You have to be joking, man. You have to be joking. Hey. Lena akusiyona movie bafethu, i-telenovela. Mina ngiyazi into ekanje bafethu. So lo general lo, uma ngizwa kahle uthi i-police station ebiseduze eSandhurst ise-Pretoria. Okay-ke, if awekho amanye amaphoyisa available, why ungathathwa imoto uyahamba uyowenza i-arrest? Why ungababizi laba bangani bakho uhamba nayo kule award ceremony uthi hey machance khona i-drive khona ngala Sandhurst address wada yabo, asikhipha amajita ethu sambe sobopha umuntu lapha. Why can't you do that? Why didn't you do that? Mina ngi-understand mina. And we keep on rambling uma bekubuza la ma-commissioners lawo, and we keep fumbling uma bekukhombisa ukuthi isitori sakho asihlangani mjida isitori sakho, kanti ufuna sithini thina? How 1 minute ukhuluma ngokuthi cha ayikho into wrong ngale nto wenziwe ulokhunja uCaptain Kruger vele ube nalo imvume yokuthi lapha mina ngimfonelile uCaptain Kruger, vele ayikho into wrong eyenzile. Into wrong eyenziwe la wena wenza into wrong la. Thina sifuna wena usiphendule why wenza into wrong, why wenza into ezovumela ukuthi igebengu get away with zonke lezi zinto ezimbi abazenzayo. Did you make an arrest on this KT Molefe fellow that owned that house? Did you raid his house? Why wasn't CJ whatever thing that allows you to raid a person's house during an investigation of alleged criminal activities that are happening there? Why didn't you have it? Because it's not like ngivele navuka one day and decide ziyasha laphana kuleya ndlu leyana awuthi siyohamba siyobheka ukuthi kwenzakala. No. And futhi this is not one of those cases where a crime is being committed on site and you can make an arrest on site. An entire police special investigating unit commissioner just fumbled South Africa. Do you understand how serious this is? An entire Hawks general fumbled. His stories are incoherent. Kuleya commission leya. Ayi ngeke bafethu, ayi ngeke. Abanye abantu badinga ukuxoshwa emsebenzini wabo. Badinga ukuxoshwa emsebenzini wabo ngoba bayazi lento abayenzayo nje. Ayi ngisho nami ngihlalele lana ekamereni lami ngiphethelele ifoni nayo engekho clear nje nami ngiyayibona ezinye izinto ukuthi ayikhona. Ngiy'gqokela iy'buko zami, ngiyangibona ukuthi angiboni kahle emehlweni, kodwa nje nami ngiyayibona ukuthi le nto ayilungile guys. We must demand better from our government. No, we can't live in a country like this. Ayikwazi, ayikwazi. Ngibonga kakhulu, sale kahle. Guys, before you leave, please enjoy these clips. Sile, vele bayaphetha laba. Mina ngibatshelile ukuthi abenze kanje, kodwa bangayenza ngendlela engibacele ngayo. Ngicela ningixolele commissioners. Wena uyadlala wena. Wena sokubopha wena. Phela wena uqamba amanga la kwi-commission yakho. Uthi thina singamajaji thina. Sinelungelo lokuthi silibophe for perjury. Mndoda, ngicela ungasibhedeli la. Wena uphula umthetho wase-South Africa, okuwesi uyiphoyisa, ugqoke ibheji lamaphoyisa. Utshela ukuthi umphakathi uthathe kanjani serious. Hamba ndoda, hamba ndoda la, usumoshela isikhathi nje. Thina sokubopha and that's it.